Guess what, guys? I just received my Amazon. First time I ordered something from Amazon, and it has come just in one day. Alright, here's the box. I'm gonna unbox. This, you know what it is? It's super cool. I saw it on Amazon. I thought if it is real or not. Let me check it out. There is straightforward. Alright. It's not from here. Let's go. Done. Open. And in this big box, there is only small box. Crazy. This big box. This is power bank, and it is special power bank, not just another power bank. And I'm gonna open it from here, unboxing it. Boom! I have everything. So the book, how to use it, the names, and power bank. I'm excited about it. Guess what kind of power bank it is? Super cool. Futuristic power bank. Anyways, made in China. This is a solar power bank. You see the light? So bright. Damn. I'm gonna open it. Open up. Boom. Bang. Look at this. Isn't it cool? Isn't it cool? Solar panel. Solar panel, 4 panels, 1 charger. Isn't it cool? Now I can use it anywhere. Even if I am outside, inside. I can even charge it simply by plugging to the plug-in. You see, there are 3 plugins. 2 for powering my phone and other stuff. 1 is for powering the battery. Isn't it cool? Now I'm gonna try using it. Alright guys, here is the box. So I opened it up, and they have a this paper manual to read how to use it and other stuff. And I'm not the guy who reads so much information and everything. I'm gonna read it through and use this machine now. Four panels. Isn't it crazy? I saw in the market like only 1 panel charging, and like this has like 3 extra, which is really cool, I think. Here is a bag. The bag is also fine, good, looks good. Of course it's made in China. And here it says made in China. It's on right now, as you can see. Here 2 lights only. 2 lights, which means it is around like 30% charged, maybe 20 to 30%. 2 lights, yeah, 25 to 50% charged. I'm gonna try plugging my charger. It says it is water resistant. It's double, you know. I'm gonna plug it to my phone, this phone. I'm taking a video of this. It's working. 85% is showing up. I can just keep it on my bag, you know? Just hang it on my bag and go. Or charge it wherever I want. It looks cool. For a good use, they mentioned here I have to fully charge it before first use. So with a charger, not in the sunlight of course, I have to charge it fully before the first use. Alright, I'm gonna charge it fully, and it says I have to charge fully at least once in 3 months, fully charging. And if there is only one light left here, blue light, I have to stop charging because it's gonna kill all the energy from the power bank. Alright, now I'm gonna charge it, then use it.
Vamos a arrancarlo con altura.